so we're back with OB1, the decentralized marketplace, and we're going to talk with Mike Greenberg about the architecture and some of the technology used to produce this excellent platform.
OpenBazaar is designed as a server-client architecture. We use Go on the back end to run the server and communicate to other users on our network. Underneath our implementation, we use a technology called IPFS, which is really quite fantastic at abstracting away the network access and the storage of the various listings that vendors are putting up on the network. Highly recommend you check it out, as they're doing really fantastic work. And while we've been working on the desktop implementation that's available now, if you check us out on GitHub, we're working on a website experience to add to our mobile experience that we've been working on and are about to release as well. So all of these things require the local software to control all of your information about the store. That is your identity, your encryption keys for verifying and authenticating that you created the data that's available on the network. And that's hard to do on the website as well, because generally you would have a server that controls all of this. And we're going to be using IPFS's JavaScript implementation that will allow all of that information to be self-contained on the website when you load the site. There's no third-party servers that you're talking to. It's all contained right there in your browser.
Awesome. So, would you say the majority of the code is Go?
Yeah, all of the daemon software is written in Go.
Right.
We have a little bit of
wallet's written in Go.
Yeah, we have a wallet implementation that manages Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Zcash. That's also written in Go as far as managing the signing keys and talking to the public network.
Well, the app there, that's obviously not Go, because Go's not so much a front end.
Right, so we use the same backend across all of our experiences, and because we have this server client architecture design, we're able to put whatever facade on the front of that. So the server has a JSON HTTP API that it uses to share information about its state with the client. And on the desktop, we use basically an HTML and JavaScript and CSS implementation inside of a Electron frame, which is basically just a web browser.
Is this Android or a?
This is iOS.
This is iOS,
on Android as
but
well.
it's also available on Android.
Nice.
And so we have the client implementation on the mobile device written in React Native.
Oh, nice. React Native. Very good. And this is all open source.
The application is not.
It's not? Okay.
No,
Just the front end.
But
the back end is common across desktop and mobile. It's the same
And,
back end.
and what's the philosophy behind making all your back end open source?
Well, I mean, the project always started out as an open source project. That was just a side project that we wanted to create a protocol for trade on the internet, sort of like the TCP/IP of marketplaces.
Sure.
And so that's where we started, and we've always maintained the ethos that the core technology should be open source. So, in this case, the mobile app is not like this. UI is on the mobile device is not open source right now, but it's a demonstration that companies and other projects can build proprietary technology at layers above and provide services that actually can be monetized. So, for instance, if you want to create a better search engine that allows people to promote listings and make the discovery experience much better, or more relevant to the user, you can do so at a higher level and you can monetize that. But the core protocol underneath is always open and free for anybody to extend and look at and work on.
And also for probably the merchants that might have their own development team, they may want to have an idea about how that actually works. Right?
Oh yeah, definitely. And it's also, the contributors can come and find flaws in the system or help us protect the rest of the market.
I totally believe in Zig Ziglar's saying, as it go, if you help enough other people get what they want, you'll get what you want. Right? So I'll put links in the video below about how to get to OB1 GitHub resources and other documentation. Thank you so much. This is an awesome project.
Thank you.